Hello everyone, welcome you all in English class. So today we are going to learn a new chapter in your supplementary reader. The lesson number 1, that is the tiny teacher. Tiny means very small, and teacher, you all know who teaches you. But here tiny teacher does not mean the teacher who is short heighted. Here the tiny teacher is our ant. Ant is a common insect, you all know very well. You may have observed or may not, but here are few people, they observe the life of ants and they have written some of the facts about the ant. This is we are going to learn in this chapter. So let's start. This story, as I have told you, about ants. This lesson depicts the journey of ants' life. The ants' life is very inspiring, student. You can learn so many things from tiny ants. You have observed already that ants the whole day keep working, keep storing foods for their future and for their difficult time. Here we are discussing a number of facts about this tiny, hardworking and intelligent creature. So, facts about the ants. Do you know how do the ants talk? Yes, an ant uses its fillers. Fillers, you can see the antennae, okay, on its head, you can see. So, the ant uses its filler or antennae to communicate with each other. Where do they live? Do you know where do they live? Of course, you all know that the ants live in ants hill. Okay, so their comfortable homes called nests or ant hill. Each has hundred of little rooms and passage. You may have seen the ants hill from the top. You cannot imagine that how many holes are there, and these holes are not holes, they are the homes, they are the room, they are the passage of ants where they live a comfortable life. In some of these rooms the queen ant lays eggs, okay, and others are nursery for the young ones that are called grubs. Some quarters are reserved for workers' ants, and there are some storehouses in some rooms, okay, and soldiers have separate barracks. So can you see in this small ants hill how many rooms? There are more than 100 rooms. Some rooms are for queen ants, some rooms are for nurseries, grubs, some are for soldiers, some are for cleaners, some are for workers, where they all keep working and keep live their life comfortable. Next is role of ants. Soldier ants, do you know what they do? They guards the eggs until the grubs come out from the eggs. And there are some ants, those who are cleaners. They feed and clean the eggs and carry them about daily for airing, exercising and sunshines. And some are the builders ants. Builders, what do they do? Of course, they build the homes for ants. Next is very important, queen ants. Queen ants, do you know? The queen is the mother of the entire family of the ants. It lives for about 15 years. The queen leaves the nest and goes out to meet a male ant. Male ant is called drone. On its return from the journey, it gets rid of its wings and then it lives in the nest quite comfortably, and then they do nothing, just lay eggs. Life cycle of an ant. This is, I think you may have read in your small classes, life cycle of the ants. The egg is there, what comes out from the eggs, you know that ant. But eggs hatch and grubs come out, and then from grubs become cocoons, and then cocoons lie there outside without any food or activity for 3 to 6 weeks, and then the cocoons break and perfect ants appear. Then the baby get training. When the baby ants came out, they get the training from the old ants. They get the training from the old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. They all teach them their different work, and then when they grew, they also start working for their community. And alien creatures. They are some of the creatures, those who live in ants' hill. Those who are the friends of ants. They are who? They are beetles, some lesser breeds of ants, and the green fly. Do you know why do they live with the ants? They live in ants' hill for several reasons. There are many reasons that ants allow them to live there. Why? Because some of them give them sweet smells, some other give them sweet juices, and some of them are the pets, playful things for them. And the green fly is actually their cow. Like cow gives us milk, similarly the green fly gives them honeydew. So many facts you have learnt about these small creatures. Here, what is the moral of this lesson? The moral, of course, the ants we all know are very hardworking. They live disciplined life and they are very peaceful. In ants hill there are many ants live, but they never interfere in each other works. They never fight with each other. They always respect and they understand the sense of responsibility and loyalty towards their family and their home and their land where they live. So, what do we learn? We learn hard work, sense of duty, discipline, cleanliness, and care for the young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live. I hope you understand the lesson very well. This is a very small chapter. After going through the video, you just once read a lesson and then write down the question answer in your notebook, in English notebook. Understand it well. Don't do the work hurriedly or haphazardly. Understand the work, understand the lesson. It is interesting chapter, just sharing you the facts of life of ants. I hope you like my video and understand it very well. Thank you.